Morning class 8. After a study of cubes, we have to go through the cube root. How we can find out the cube root of a positive number or a negative number, and how can we use prime factorization for the cube root. So take a look at this. Yes, students, our topic is cube root. The symbol of cube root is this 3. In a square root there is 2 only or nothing else, but in cube root you have to write here 3. It means it shows power 1 by 3, or it shows you have to make the triplet. Part 1, because there is another part we have to make. Cube root of a number x is that number whose cube gives x. Means cube root of a number x, that is that number whose cube gives x. Means if cube of x gives a number y, then y is called cube of x. For example, since 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8, it means cube of 2 gives 8. So cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 8 is 2. Since 5 into 5 into 5 gives 125, so cube root of 125 gives 5. That is, how can we find out the cube root of a number? Finding out the cube root of a number. How can we find? Here I am taking an example. Find cube root of 216. Find cube root of 16. In solution, to find out the cube root of 216, first we have to find out the prime factorization of 216. First, we have to find out prime factorization of 216. So, I am finding here prime factorization of 216. It will be 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. If you find out, there are 3 2's and there are 3 3's. Now you can write cube root of 216 equal to cube root of, in place of 216 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now since here the number is 3, so we have to make the triplet. We have to select 3 numbers in one time. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 2. There are 2 triplets, one of 2 and one of 3. And in outside of the cube root, we have to take 1 for one triplet. So I am taking here 1 2 and 1 3. It will give you 2 into 3, that is 6. Therefore, we can say that cube root of 216 equal to 6. Now, I am taking another example. Cube root of 2744. Cube root of 2744. Once again, we have to find out first the prime factorization of 2744. You can see the prime factorization. Now you can write the cube root of 2744 as cube root of 3, 2 into 2 into 2, these first 3 2's, and 7 into 7 into 7, these are the 3 7's. So for each triplet we can take out 1. So for triplet of 2, taking 1 2. For triplet of 7, we can take 1 7. 2 7s are 14. Therefore, we can say that cube root of 2744 is 14. Now we have to talk about the cube root of a negative number. Cube root of negative number. Let a be a positive integer. Then minus a is a negative integer. For example, if 10 is positive, then minus 10 is negative. We know that minus a whole to the power 3 can be written as minus a to the power 3. Thus, cube root of minus a whole to the power 3 can be written as minus cube root of a to the power 3. That is, cube root of minus a to the power 3 can be written as minus cube root of a to the power 3. It means we can take out the negative sign. We can take out the negative sign. Okay. Now here I am taking an example. Example number 3. Find the cube root of minus 1000. Cube root of minus 1000 equal to minus cube root of 1000. We can take out this negative sign from the cube root symbol. We can take out negative symbol from the cube root. Now you can write minus cube root of 3. Okay. First, we have to find out the prime factorization of 1000. Here I am find out the prime factorization of 1000. 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. It means 3 2's and 3 5's. Now, we can make the triplet of 2 and we can make the triplet of 5. Then, this negative sign. For each triplet I am taking 1, that is for 2 2, for 5 5, and it will be minus 10. So you can say that cube root of minus 1000 equal to minus 10. Now I am taking another example for negative number. Find cube root of minus 512. Cube root of minus 512. We can write again cube root of minus 512 equal to minus cube root of 512. We can take out this negative sign from the cube root symbol. Now I am finding out the prime factorization of 512. Here 2 into 256 times, 2 128 times, 2 64 times, and 2 32 times, 2 16 times, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, and 2 2 times, and 2 1 time. So here there are 9 2's and we can write it as minus cube root of 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 into 2 into 2. We are making here triplet 2, 2, and 2. For each triplet we can take out 1. So 2 into 2 into 2. But negative sign is here. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8. So it will be minus 8. Therefore, we can write cube root of 512 equal to minus 8. So students, you can see the cube root. Here students, you saw how can we find out the cube root of a given number by using prime factorization. Cube root of a positive number and a negative number we have read today, but in the next class we have to understand how can we find out the cube root of the product of two integers and cube root of a given rational number. Students, you can watch me on my YouTube channel Ocean of Maths, and I will give you the worksheet after this class and you have to solve the worksheet. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.